Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water supply manifold in your dishwasher, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the lower access panel. Set the panel aside. Use channel lock pliers to loosen the elbow fitting, securing the water supply line to the inlet valve. Fully unthread the elbow fitting. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and unthread the two screws securing the dishwasher mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Rotate the front legs clockwise to lower the front. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, rotate the rear leg adjusting rod counterclockwise to lower the rear of the dishwasher. Now gently pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Place a weight on top of the dishwasher to help stabilize it. Fully remove the lower dish rack. Pull the upper dish rack out and rotate both front stop clips outward to fully remove the rack. Pull the top rack out. Release the retaining tabs to remove the front stop clips. Slide the rack off of the rails. Pull the lower wash arm straight up to remove. Rotate the drain filter counterclockwise to remove and lift off the flat filter. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws securing the wash arm support. Place a 2x4 piece of wood under the water supply manifold elbow, and you can press down on the wash arm support to fully remove it from the manifold. Reach under the insulation and rotate the manifold retaining nut counterclockwise to remove. Pull the rear retaining tabs outward to fully release the old manifold. Prepare the new water supply manifold for installation by transferring the wash arm from the old manifold to the new one. Confirm the two rubber seals are intact on the outlet ports. Now align the new manifold with the rear retaining tabs and snap it into place. Insert the nub on the top of the manifold into the upper hole. With the side with the rubber O-ring facing down, align the retaining nut on the nub and rotate clockwise to secure the manifold. Snap the wash arm support into place on the manifold. Align the support on the sump and thread the two mounting screws. Realign the flat filter. Realign the drain filter in the sump, then rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Align the wash arm on the support and snap it into place. Replace the lower dish rack. Align the utensil tray support brackets on the rails and slide the top rack in. Realign the two front stop clips on the rails and snap them into place. Realign the upper dish rack rollers on the slide rails. Push the rack in and rotate the front stop clips inward. Remove the weight. Confirm that the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Extend the front leveling legs if necessary. Rotate the adjusting rod clockwise to extend the rear leg. Rethread the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Thread the water supply line elbow fitting onto the inlet valve port and tighten. Realign the lower access panel and rethread the screws to secure. Turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.